3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa. It's nice. It has a nice spin. Yeah. So a little bit aggressive. Just a little bit, but yeah. A little bit aggressive, but it really wants to stay at the center because it's a stamina type. And as you can see, now it's on the center. It stays right there, and it will have a defense kind of position. So stamina kind of defense kind of Beyblade X right here. But yeah, I like the sound. I like also the spinning of this blade. I think it will go longer. But yeah, we will have its another test, which is the battle test with some other Beyblades. So I want here to have my Leon Claw. The Leon Claw's blade is original. The ratchet is a bootleg, and also the bit is a bootleg. Yep, bit is a bootleg also.